prominent difference between Section 9 and Section 17 lies in the scope of operation of these provisions in the Indian Arbitration Act. Section 9 empowers the court to grant interim measures for preservation of the subject matter of dispute and preventing irreparable harm to one of the parties to the arbitration. Whereas Section 17 provides similar power to the arbitral tribunal as that of Section 9 in the scheme of the Arbitration Act. So Section 17 comes to play once the arbitral tribunal is constituted. So as regards emergency arbitration, emergency arbitrations are also specifically conducted for granting interim reliefs or getting interim awards. These are akin to mini trials dedicated for granting interim reliefs. As I said in the introduction, emergency arbitral tribunal is constituted in a much shorter time, sometime in 24 to 48 hours time. Now let's see the challenges faced with emergency arbitral decisions in an Indian arbitration scheme of act. The enforcement of emergency arbitration decision is the most challenging aspect. There can be either an order or award under the emergency arbitration. Foreign emergency arbitral awards will have to meet the condition of enforcement under Part 2 of the Indian Arbitration Act. I am referring to the PASL win solution decision here. Alternatively, emergency arbitral tribunal may pass an order under Section 17. Such an order also must pass the muster of provision under Order 21 of the CPC when it comes for enforcement. So therefore, in both cases, be it an award or an order from the emergency tribunal, an enforcement and execution petition has to follow. So whereas Section 9 per se is enforceable, of course it is appealable under 37, but you need not get into the conundrum of going for enforcement and execution petition while enforcing an emergency arbitral award. So interestingly, post 2015 amendment to the Arbitration Act, Section 9 now covers both Indian and foreign seated arbitration. So therefore, in case of foreign seated arbitration also, parties may approach Section 9 and get relief, because Indian courts are having power to grant a relief under Section 9 even for the foreign seated arbitration in a series of judgments with the Supreme Court, starting from Helico Charters, Raffles Design, etc. So once the Section 9 order is passed in favor, there is no need for any special proceedings to determine its enforceability. So therefore, it will be prudent for the parties to opt for interim measures under Section 9 of the Arbitration Act. So therefore, interplay has to be, if it involves a mini trial, then of course you go for emergency arbitration. But if it involves prima facie, the case is in your favor, it's better to go for a Section 9. That's how the interplay is framed under the Indian scheme of the Arbitration Act.